Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aisha Mashal. Today the topic of discussion is osteoarthritis versus rheumatoid arthritis. Before moving towards the main topic, which is differences among both these diseases, I'll just give an overview of both these diseases. Starting with the rheumatoid arthritis, whenever someone asks about rheumatoid arthritis, the first thing that should come into our mind is it's an autoimmune disease. And when a disease is autoimmune, it will affect the whole system of the body. Means it will affect the multiple organs of a body system. So rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune as well as systematic disease. The third main point is it will affect the synovial membrane of the joint. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune and systematic disease which will affect the synovial membrane of the joint. So, moving towards the osteoarthritis, whenever we discuss osteoarthritis, the first thing that should be mentioned is it's a degenerative disorder which will affect articular cartilage of a joint. The other main point is there will be osteophyte formation in case of osteoarthritis. Osteophytes are basically bony overgrowths. So here the diagrammatic presentation of both osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis is shown. In case of osteoarthritis, it is going to affect cartilage. In case of rheumatoid arthritis, there will be inflammation of synovial membrane or synovitis. Moving towards the main topic, which is differences between osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, the first factor which we are going to discuss is age. In case of osteoarthritis, the onset will be usually after the age of 40. So we are going to see patients in their 40s or 50s having osteoarthritis. But in case of rheumatoid arthritis, the onset is usually between the age of 15 or 50. So we are going to see rheumatoid arthritis in usually younger patients, but osteoarthritis is going to affect the older population. The progression is going to be slow in case of osteoarthritis as it's a chronic disorder, but in case of rheumatoid arthritis, the onset is going to be sudden within weeks or months. Moving towards the manifestation, we have already discussed that osteoarthritis is going to affect cartilage of joint. So there will be cartilage degradation, or there is also going to be osteophyte formation. But in case of rheumatoid arthritis, there will be synovitis. Inflammatory synovitis means it is going to affect the synovial membrane of joint. Let's discuss joint involvement. In case of osteoarthritis, there is usually going to be involvement of larger joints like hip joint, knee joint, but there can be involvement of small joints like distal interphalangeal joint and proximal interphalangeal joints. And in case of rheumatoid arthritis, there is usually going to be involvement of small joint like wrist joint, elbow joint. There can be involvement of shoulder as well. The other main point is rheumatoid arthritis is usually going to be bilateral, means if right elbow is involved, then there will be chances that left elbow is also involved, like there will be symmetry in case of rheumatoid arthritis. But osteoarthritis is going to be asymmetrical, means there is possibility that a patient will have only complaint of right knee or left knee. So osteoarthritis is going to be asymmetrical, but rheumatoid arthritis is usually symmetrical. Both sides will be involved in case of rheumatoid arthritis. If we talk about sign and symptoms, in case of osteoarthritis, there is usually going to be morning stiffness which will be less than 30 minutes. This time duration is very crucial and should be remembered, because in case of rheumatoid arthritis, this time duration will be more than 30 minutes. Now let's revise the comparison between osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis and see if we have missed any main point. First of all, don't be scared of these innocent skeletons. I hope at the end of discussion you are not gonna be scared of them anymore. So let's dig into our main discussion. Starting with the osteoarthritis, as we have discussed, it is a degenerative disease. On the other side, rheumatoid arthritis is autoimmune disease. Osteoarthritis is gonna affect cartilage of joint. This is the affected portion. In case of rheumatoid arthritis, it is gonna affect synovium. This is the inflamed synovial membrane, which is gonna be affected in case of rheumatoid arthritis. In case of osteoarthritis, there is gonna be morning stiffness, which will last less than 30 minutes. In case of rheumatoid arthritis, morning stiffness is gonna last more than 30 minutes. Osteoarthritis is usually asymmetrical, means it is gonna affect usually one side. On the other side, rheumatoid arthritis is symmetrical. Moving toward the deformities, in case of osteoarthritis, we are gonna see deformities like Bouchard nodes, Haberden nodes. In case of rheumatoid arthritis, there will be deformities like swan neck deformities and ulnar deviation of metacarpophalangeal joints or button ear deformity. So these are the deformities which we are going to see in both these diseases. Thank you for watching.